Good evening, guys. How are you? It's been a tough time for everyone to not go to outside because government took a huge decision to initiate lockdown. But we must follow the government, right? Please stay home and stay safe, right? Today I'm talking about the famous writer, and you know about R.L. Stein, and he's called Stephen King of famous book horror writer. He's one of my favorite writers. Do you remember in childhood we used to saw a Goosebumps series in first or second class. Yeah, do you remember, right? Alston is the writer of Goosebumps series. It is used to telecast in Jetix program. From nowadays, Jetix also not time. Nowadays Netflix, Amazon is streaming. But at that time, in 2002, 1994 to 2005, almost is an era like Jetix program, Goosebumps famous series. I want to talk about famous writer R.L. Stein. Yeah, you know his whole story, because he's been scaring people from all over the world. Yeah, he's famous writer and he sold over 400 million books. Yeah, and also his books translate from 35 languages, best-selling history in author. Yeah, and R.L. Stein was born in 1943 October 8th in Columbus, I think so. And at the childhood only, he found an old typewriter in his closet, and at that time it changed his life. The typewriter changed his life like anything else. He used to write books, joke books or novels, and first he used to read books. He used to write some small short stories, and also a little joke, and he showed his writings to his mother, and his mother would appreciated him, like. And also in mainly, he's not a great student. He got mostly B's on his report card, but he didn't work very hard about his education. Only spent his time for writing stories and drawing books. He thought he wanted to become a comic artist, but see, destiny has so many ways that he hated education, and he was very good at ping pong and something, but destiny has brought him to a famous comic book writer. Yeah, mainly at college life, he used to write some short novels and some stories, mainly some jokes books. He used to creepy jokes books. He used to sell those stories, but it didn't do well at that time. One book, he changed his life. Like in 1986, he wrote a book like Blind Date. It's very scary book. First teen horror novel. It became instant bestseller. At that time in 86, the teens were like used to read that book like so many times, even, and it is very scared. No, and afterwards in 1994, 1992, after getting a success of Blind Date, he wrote like Goosebumps. Goosebumps begin. At that time, 1992, Goosebumps begin 1990. The series it became instant hit around the world. Like not only in the same state, it became globally very big hit. And the TV, and also based on that novel, he wrote like 16 series, and also in 1994 the Goosebumps TV show was the number one kid shows in America for almost continuous 3 years. It was the best series in the world. It, you know, at that time, like it was in 1994, it first streamed on American series Goosebumps. All were thought, what is this? The title song Goosebumps. In Telugu, ఒంటరిగా చూడొద్దు కల్లారా చూడండి గూస్ బాంబ్స్. That's, that, no, it's very hilarious. After in India, it represent it that show is telecasted on Jetix, and at the year, I think 2001, I think so. It became instantly not only in America, it became all over the world: China, Japan, USA, India, Australia. And it's a best-selling novel. I definitely I will say that. At the and the even now he's writing he's writing so many novels. And latestly in 2050, Goosebumps movies of, the Jack Black, Jack Black star at Goosebumps movies also came based on the novel. It's also a very hilarious movie. Like and the first thing I would say that although he had not interested in education, but because his craziness and his family support, he's become very famous. That even his scary books also become very famous at that time. Also nowadays also, if you want to see Goosebumps series, it is available on Netflix, guys. Please watch it. It's very hilarious. And R.L. Stein is one of my favorite writer. Yeah, if you had time, his books are available also on Amazon Books, and also in Google. You can download the books. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's it. Today's my vlog. Thank you, guys. Bye.